ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯤꯟꯇꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯍꯟꯒꯠꯆꯔꯕꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ M. Pradeep Singh IPS
Report for the next program. I'd like to invite the officers from Bidar district to present a song. The title of the song is Samarak Manipur. This will be performed by instructors. To present the song Samarak Manipur.
Sport कैसा?
We have
Ngasigi forum ngasigi makakarpada supay tongan-tongan ba luluna mayam sige aikoy puni district site gi munjari mayam gi tumunto supay na
to and presently posted is Sub-Divisional Police Officer.
Senior Superintendent Police, respected Sir M. Pradeep Singh, IPS, was born on Dimati Devi. He had passed out matriculation and from Dem College of Science with honors in mathematics. He holds a master's degree in sociology.
The parade commander is reporting to the chief guest to inspect the parade contingent.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे परेड आपका निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान.
The parade commander approaching the certain base to assist the flag hosting. Our national anthem will accompany after the flag hosting. SDPO Jiriba.
Commander, Sub-Inspector Mukesh Kumar Singh, and we have contingent of 7 IRD. Certain Commander Subedar Sailash Sarita will command the contingent, and Manipur Police contingent will be under the command of Manipur Police. Yes, Basanta Maitai approaching the saluting desk to assist the chief guest for flag hoisting. Now, the
The case of this function receive the salute.
approaching the saluting piece is the contingent of the 7th IRB under the command of Sailesh Tareta. Contingent. The platoon commander is ASI Stanton Singh Larsen. And now we have the Forest Service Group approaching the saluting base. The Jiribam Forest Division has been instrumental in safeguarding the forest resources of the division. Day and night, these dedicated staff are vigilant and patrol the remote reserve forests of the division. Jiribam Forest Division has taken up plantation in urban and rural areas of Jiribam and neighboring districts. More than 50,000 seedlings have been distributed free.
Distinguished guests, invitees, Senior Superintendent of Police, COCRPF, district level officers, staffs, personnel from security forces, leaders of various civil society organizations, youth organizations, friends from media, ex-army men, and dear fellow citizens. A very good morning and warm welcome to you all. On this auspicious and joyous occasion of 78th Independence Day of India, I will extend my heartiest greetings and best wishes to all of you. Today, Independence Day is being celebrated all over the country, ranging from the national capital to the capital of all the states, union territories, state, district headquarters, and many more. Today, let us also remember and recall the supreme sacrifices and selfless sacrifices made by our forefathers and valiant soldiers who showed incomparable courage in their pursuit of the dream of Swaraj, who laid down their lives first for the cause of winning us independence and then for preserving and strengthening the precious gift of freedom. On behalf of everyone today present here, I would extend my deepest gratitude and pay them homage with highest respect and regards. Let's also spare a moment and a thought for all the visionary leaders who led India on its path to freedom. And then, through their collective wisdom, they compiled an exceptionally brilliant document, Constitution of India. A constitution where preamble sums up its guiding principles: democracy, liberty, justice, fraternity, and equality. These are the values that form our collective inheritance, and also it has been a guiding principle and beacon and also unifying factor in our journey as a nation where everyone has contributed and played their own important role. Although we have witnessed lots of improvements in last 7 decades, where India once regarded as a nation living in the villages to a nation of economy and superpower now. This is a time when we can think, we can introspect now what we need to do anymore for the development of our society and district, state and nation as well. What kind of impediments are still on way which needs to be removed? Is it health sector, education, skilling or any more? We have to join hands together to ensure welfare of each and every citizen and development of our country as well. Today, taking the advantage of this platform and in presence of August gathering, I will also mention about election, as it marks a new beginning and also it's a renewal of any democracy hope and optimism, which involves micro to macro level planning to translate our thoughts and theories into visible action. Today I am happy to share that for this year, for successful conduct of Special Assembly Revision 2024, our district was awarded by Chief Electoral Officer Manipur. Also at the same time, I would make an announcement with pride that for successful and peaceful conduct of Lok Sabha election 2024, we have received letter of appreciation from Chief Election Commissioner of India. As it was a team effort, so today I would express and extend my appreciation and gratitude to all the officers, their staffs, police, security forces who work tirelessly, who work very hard to ensure safe, secure and peaceful conduct of Lok Sabha election 2024. At the same time, I would also appreciate and say thank you to our dear citizens who also come forward to become the process of national building by ensuring their contribution in the biggest festival of our democracy. Today, when we talk about the potential, untapped potential in different sectors in our district like agriculture, horticulture, floriculture, pisciculture, forests and many more, we have to work together and we have to formulate a strategy to harness the untapped potential of different sectors so that development of our district can be ensured. This year, as per the direction of central government and state government as well, we have conducted Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra in our different parts of district, where about various schemes which is being run by the different departments were highlighted, and also benefits of the different schemes were also given on the spot from the different departments under Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. This year we are also having campaign under Har Ghar Tiranga, various activities to ensure all kind of facilities to take care of their needs, whether it's a fooding, lodging, health and nutritional aspects. Also, government is taking all efforts to ensure the same peaceful coexistence and communal harmony, which was uniqueness of our Jirbam district. Here from this platform, I would appeal to all the citizens from every section, please come forward and extend your cooperation to again ensure this uniqueness of our district so that it can be in place and development should march ahead. Today, I would also place my deep sense of appreciation to all the March past contingents from police, CRPF, IRB and of course from forest also. A special thanks to our band party for making this program as a grand successful. I would also appreciate to all the district level officers and their staff who have worked very hard, not only for their department but also towards the larger interest of the public and society as well. At the same time, I would also appeal to my officers and their staffs that we must lead by example. Discipline needs to be maintained in our work culture, and to ensure minimum government, maximum governance, we need to be receptive, responsive, transparent, accountable, efficient and effective. This is the high time to work with the positive attitude and empathy, because every public servant has an obligation to protect and promote the ideal sign in our Constitution of India. Last but not the least, let us also not forget the long journey of freedom, the struggles of our forefathers to make this country a sovereign state. Therefore, despite of all the limitations, restrictions and challenges, I'm sure that if we work together as a team in alignment on the development of goals with the positive thoughts, approach, energy, confidence, entrepreneurship, and also keeping the interest of society and nation foremost, then our district, our nation will definitely continue to march ahead on the path of happiness, prosperity and progress, and will secure its rightful place. E-District Manipur, now all these facilities can be availed through any common service center, and in fact, if I would say, through our Android phone itself. We can apply and receive. No need to pay any visit for this kind of stuff. For the dream of happy and equal opportunity nation, the government is building physical infrastructure, communication infrastructure, legal infrastructure, health infrastructure. Thank you. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
We have here Binila Kumutram receiving the award from DC Jiribam. She is the second child of Kumutram Bisoi Singh and Kumutram Om Babita Devi. She writes with her feet and secured first class in 10th examination. Her previous schooling is Kasturba Girls High School and current
16. She had received 6
Medal for Gallantry in the year 2012 and 2013. Honored Presidents Pratibha Singh Patel and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So I request Sarapam Ibotoni Singh, Inspector, to receive this CRPF March Past 7 IRB March Past team.
We have Sub-Inspector Mukesh Kumar Singh,
Matanda Jiribam Police March Past
award
team.
from the DC.
Matanda CRPF March Past team. Matanda IRB March Past team. 7 IRB contingent March Run 16. He had received 6 medal for gallantry in the year 2012 and 2013. Honored Presidents Pratibha Singh Patel and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So I request Sarapam Ibotoni Singh, Inspector, to receive this. To apply. Swadam Purnima Devi, Salam Bijan Devi, Chief Minister Haksel Tembang, M. Tamalngau Singh, Chief Minister Haksel Tembang, Hai Bamiyu Singasuna, Amasung Warekpam Ibonu Metai, Hai Bamiyu Singasuna, Chief
Watching you